They say everybody has a past, but we're not looking back. So while you're looking in your rear view, baby, when our love is on cruise control.
How's it look, brother? It looks good, right? Okay.
Speeding in a fast lane, it was all just a blur. But for you, I'll slow down, just give me your
The visuals and your senses are your first experience. And, you know, because you're already excited just from visually seeing it, you know, and then you actually get to taste it. And that's the beauty of the experience.